Warning, the coins in this video I'm about to show you could potentially make you rich. If you want to know exactly the value of your coins, make sure you stay until the end because I'm going to go over exactly what you need to be looking out for on your coins that make them extremely valuable and rare. Without wasting any more time, let's just hop into this video. So up first, we have a 2007 D 1 cent Lincoln coin. Now this one sold for $930. Now just imagine coming across a coin in your pocket change and being able to sell that one little penny for $930. Most people have no idea what to look for. Don't be the person that accidentally spends this coin. So this coin is considered to be a double denomination error. This one was accidentally struck on a dime planchet, which is why it looks like this. This one was graded and authenticated by PCGS as a mint state 67. All these things combined allowed it to sell for $930. This one little quarter sold for $23,500, and here's why. This is a 1948 25 cent Washington quarter graded by PCGS, a mint state 68 with a CAC sticker. Let's break this coin down. Now let's point out the elephant in the room, which is the toning on this coin. Toning is the naturally occurring process where the air will oxidize with the metal composition on the coin, changing its color. Now it's important to know that toning only really matters on the high grade coins. Another thing to keep in mind is that toning really matters if it looks good. Sometimes toning can make the coin look worse and it can decrease the value of the coin. This one graded at the 68 grade. Now the highest achievable grading is 70. This is only 2 points away from that perfect grade of 70. Next, this is a CAC sticker. So after the coin is graded, you can send your coin off to another third party called CAC, and they will look at your coin and see if it's worthy of their sticker. They will either put a sticker on it if they think the grade is accurate, or if they think the grade could potentially go higher. And sometimes if they don't like the coin, they will just simply not add that sticker. It seems silly, but this one little CAC sticker can dramatically increase the value of your coin. So keep your eyes peeled for coins that look nice, because this one sold for $23,500. Wait, 90% of you that watch the videos are still not subscribed. So you better subscribe right now so we can keep the lights on. Wait, no, I was kidding. Now this coin looks pretty beat up, right? Like not that big of a deal, but the reality is this penny sold for $552. Gonna keep it pretty brief here. So this 1953 penny was accidentally struck on a silver dime planchet. There's a lot of damage on this coin. This is not factory damage. This is after factory damage. So it took quite a while for someone to pick this coin up and say, hey, this is actually worth a lot more money than just one penny. But someone who knew what to look for, knew that this coin was rare. They picked it up, they got it graded, and they sent it off to auction, and it sold for $552. Gonna keep this one brief, but this one sold for $3,220. This is a 1999 S 25 cent Delaware silver quarter graded by PCGS, a proof 70. Now you could possibly have this quarter, but the challenge is getting it graded at the perfect grade of 70 is very rare. You're pretty much gambling when you go ahead and send your coin off to get graded. I know people that send off hundreds or thousands of coins and they never really achieve this perfect grade of 70. The reality is it is possible, but it's really hard. And that's why this coin sold for $3,220. I'm spending just 2 seconds on this coin. This one sold for $3.172 million. If you ever come across a coin that looks like this, make sure you contact an expert immediately. This coin sold for $1,500. This is a 1941 Jefferson nickel struck on a cent planchet. This is a double denomination error. The reality is it's pretty crazy to think that this coin graded at a very fine 20. That is very, very low. That means this coin was out in circulation for quite some time before someone picked it up and said, hey, this isn't right. This weighs differently. The coin looks different. So someone that maybe watched my videos or just had a good understanding of coins knew that this was out of the normal. And there were a lot of people that spent this 5 cent Jefferson nickel before someone picked it up and sold it for $1,500. Here we have a 1968 10 cent Roosevelt dime. Now this coin sold for $22,325, and here's why. This coin graded by PCGS, a proof 68, but the biggest reason why this coin sold for so much money is because one, this is a proof coin. You can tell if you have a proof coin by the backdrop or the field of the coin looks like a mirror. That in combination with the fact that this coin is missing an S mint mark around the date. Now there's a lot of coins out there that are 1968 Roosevelt dimes produced at the Philadelphia mint that are shiny that people get confused because Philadelphia minted coins do not have a mint mark. So again, if you have a proof coin that's missing the S mint mark, then you have a coin that's really rare and valuable. Chances are pretty slim, but it is possible. This coin sold for $22,325. This one little detail on this coin allowed it to sell for $20,562.50, and here's what it is. So looking at this 1939 5 cent Jefferson nickel, you can see that there are some small nicks and gashes on the front of the coin. That is from the factory. That's okay. PCGS understood this and graded it at the 67 grade, which is a really high grade. Next, if you flip the coin over, you'll see the full steps on the back center of the coin. That is the highest point on the coin and the hardest area to strike, which makes it really challenging to get those full steps there. But the biggest reason is the fact that below those steps you see the Monticello is doubled. That is a mint variety of this coin, and it's really hard to get that variety. All these things combined allowed it to sell for $20,562. So here's a cool one. So this is a 1998 5-cent Jefferson nickel accidentally struck on a 1998 1-cent coin. This one graded by NGC and mint state 66 red, and it sold for $3,240. This coin sold for $102,000. This is a 1926S 1-cent wheat penny graded by PCGS and mint state 65 red. When it comes to coins like this, the older your coin is, the better the condition, and the more rare it is, the more money it's generally going to be worth. San Francisco minted coins generally have a lower mint run, allowing them to sell for more money because there's more demand there. It's so challenging to get this high of a grade for a 1926S coin, which allowed it to sell for $102,000. Did you know YouTube knows exactly what video you should watch next? And they put it on the screen right now. So go ahead and click that one and I'll see you inside.